Good morning, everyone. As you know, we are practicing simple past tense. Simple past tense is the most important tense because most of the time we discuss past events, past incidents. Current moment is current, but the moment I end up recording this video, it will become past moment. By the time you finish seeing this video, it will become past moment. You will not say you are watching a video, you will say you were seeing the video or you were watching the video, right? So past moment, current moment also becomes the past moment after every second or a minute. So for that reason, correcting the past tense is very important, and this is the here and this is the tense wherein most of Indians make mistakes because the clarity is missing, and second form of verbs are not familiar with people, okay, because we don't have English surrounding. So for now, for today, we will practice second form of verbs. I am sharing with you the examples also, and you need to by heart them. Actually, that is the only solution, and practice is the key again. Okay, and do relate things to you. Now these words you will read, okay, make sure that you make your own sentences using these past form of verbs. You have to make 10 sentences of each word, and trust me, you will, like, directly or indirectly, you will learn them, you will by heart them automatically. So practice is the key. Keep practicing. Here, let me start reading it for you. Practice simple past tense, second form of verbs used in daily life. Point number 1, take. Second form is took. I took my bag. मैंने मेरा बैग लिया. Go. Point number 2, go. Went. Second form is went. I went college. मैं college गई. Here you have to write your sentence, okay? You have to use the word took, but you have to make your own sentence. You make 10 sentence of each using the each verb, and trust me guys, you will by heart it. By the time you end up writing 10 sentences using each verb, you will remember them permanently. See, at the end, it is the practice that is going to change, that is going to bring fluency and correction in your language. See, English is not difficult. We all know it. You all understand, right? You all know it. It's just that you have a fear of making mistakes. And that's the reason you don't speak English, right? So, practice is the key. Gain confidence, and confidence will only come when you practice. And you will speak the language when you are confident from within. When you know that you are speaking correctly, you will definitely speak the language. So that fear you have to overcome. The fear will take time. It will come gradually, okay? I mean, you will overcome the fear gradually. Practice is the key. Now point number 3, drive. Second form is drove. I drove to office. मैंने ऑफिस मैं गाड़ी से गया ऑफिस, ओके, या मैं गाड़ी चला के गया ऑफिस. Point number 4, fill. Filled. I filled the form. मैंने फॉर्म भरा. Point number 5, wake up. Second form is woke up. I woke up late today. मैं सुबह लेट उठा. Point number 6, sleep. Slept. Second form is slept. I slept early yesterday. कल मैं जल्दी सोया. Point number 7, eat. And second form is ate. I ate ice cream today morning. आज मैंने सुबह में आइसक्रीम खाई. Point number 8, forget. Second form is forgot. I forgot to get my phone. मैं अपना फ़ोन लाना भूल गया. Okay, and pronunciation has to be forgot. R is silent here. So when you are listening to me, you are learning pronunciation, you are learning the sentence structure, you are picking up the concise speaking and concise writing, as well as, I mean, you are learning a lot even while listening these videos in fact, okay? You have to follow the day plans to become best in the language and to overcome your fears. Point number 9, bring. Second form is brought. I brought lady finger vegetable today. मतलब मैंने टिफ़िन में या फिर मैंने आज भिंडी की भाजी या सब्जी लेकर आया हूँ. Point number 10, wear. Second form is wore. What is the sentence? I wore. Okay, sorry, here is my typo error. I wore my favorite top today. आज मैंने मेरा favorite top पहना है. Point number 11, ring. Rang. Second form is rang. Who rang the bell? Check quickly. Bell किसने बजाई? जल्दी से check करो. Okay. Point number 12, read. Second form is also read, but we pronounce it read. This is the common mistake that most of us make. Okay, so it when we talk about past, we always read as a read. Okay, so I read a nice story yesterday. कल मैंने एक अच्छी story पढ़ी. Read, remember it. Okay. Point number 13, run. Second form is ran. As soon as the bell rang, she ran fast to open the door. जैसे ही बेल बजा, वो दरवाजा खोलने भाग गई. ठीक है. लूज लोस्ट. आई लोस्ट माई पेन टूडे. आज मैंने मेरा पेन गुमा दिया. पॉइंट नंबर 16, लैंड लेंट. शी लेंट हर पेन टू मी. उसने अपना पेन मेरे को दिया यूज करने के लिए. यू नो, शी लेंट हर पेन टू मी. उधारी दिया, काइंड ऑफ उधारी. यस. पॉइंट नंबर 17, पे पेड. सेकेंड फॉर्म इज पेड. आई पेड माई फीस यस्टरडे. कल मैंने मेरी फीस दे दी. पॉइंट नंबर 18, मीन मेंट. आई मेंट शी डिड इट. मेरा मतलब था उसने कर दिया. यू नो, तो कोई काम की बात हो रही है, शी मतलब मेरा मतलब था उसने कर दिया. सो आई मेंट. पॉइंट नंबर 19, मीट. सेकेंड फॉर्म इज मेट. शी मेट मी जस्ट येस्टरडे. वो कल ही मुझे मिली. ठीक है. पॉइंट नंबर 20, लीड. सेकेंड फॉर्म इज लेड. दे वर लेड बाय बिग कंपनी. मतलब वो बड़ी कंपनी, कोई बड़ी कंपनी के थ्रू उनको आगे भेजा जा रहा था या फिर गाइड किया जा रहा था. पॉइंट नंबर 21, लीव लेफ्ट. आई लेफ्ट माई ऑफिस अराउंड 2 PM टूडे. आज मैं ऑफिस से 2 बजे के आसपास निकला. देन पॉइंट नंबर 22, ले लेड. द हैन लेड 5 चिक्स येस्टरडे. मतलब हैन ने 5 चिक्स दिए कल. पॉइंट नंबर 23, फॉल फेल. शी फेल इन हर स्लीप. वो अपनी नींद में गिर गई. सो सेकेंड फॉर्म इज फेल. पॉइंट नंबर 24, हैंग हंग. हंग इज द सेकेंड फॉर्म. शी हंग ऑल क्लोथ्स बिहाइंड द डोर. उसने सब कपड़े दरवाजे के पीछे टंगा दिए. पॉइंट नंबर 25, हाइड हिड. शी हिड हिज पेंसिल. उसने उसकी पेंसिल छिपा दी. ड्रिंक ड्रैंक. आई ड्रैंक कोल्ड कॉफी टूडे. आज मैंने कोल्ड कॉफी पी. Okay, so here the list ends. Practice these words. These are the most common words that are being used in our daily life. You have to simply revise them, keep them in your mind. Make 10 sentences using each verb. With took, make 10 sentences. Use went, write 10 sentences. Use drove, write 10 sentences. And trust me guys, these second form of verbs will sit in your mind and heart permanently. Okay, practice is the key. I always say it's practice that will bring the change. You devote daily half an hour to 1 hour's time, and believe me, by the end of this year 2023 you will see major improvements in you. And if you devote more time, you will see more improvements. Maybe some of yours will speak fluently just by following my day's plan, because here I am teaching you effective English with baby steps. You pick up with every sentence. Okay, the more you practice, the more you learn. And never be hopeless, always be meaningful. Okay, don't lose hope. And do keep watching videos, do keep practicing, and do share with your loved ones. Thank you very much for your support. It really encourages me. Thank you. I'll see you with the next video.